In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the chat setting on Roblox missing and not showing up in game. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But when you're in a Roblox game, you should see the chat icon up in the top left corner. If it is missing, tap the three lines, but if it still doesn't show, it's likely a settings issue. So begin by leaving that game and tapping the three dot icon down in the bottom right corner from the Roblox homepage. And from here, go ahead and scroll down and select settings. In your settings, you're going to want to go into privacy and content restrictions and then tap communication and make sure both experience chat and direct chat are actually turned on to everyone. If these are set to no one, your chat is not going to work. You can also check other options like party, connections, and voice chat and set them to everyone or connections as well so you can use them. Finally, scroll back into the main settings tab and select account info up at the very top of your settings and look for your age group down here. If it's set to under 13, Roblox automatically disables certain chat features, so go ahead and tap the edit icon that looks something like a paper hitting a pencil next to it and update your age if needed. Obviously, I can't do that since I've already verified my age is over the age of 18, so keep that in mind. But for you, you'll have the option to change it. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.